Are you tired of waiting for gym machines, spending money on memberships, or just too busy to make it to the gym? Well, what if I told you that you can build lean, strong muscle without ever lifting a single weight, right from your bedroom, balcony, or even your backyard? Yes, you heard that right. No gym, no equipment, no excuses. Just you, your body, and a bit of discipline. Welcome back to Fitness Tips, where we bring science-backed fitness hacks and motivation to help you become the strongest version of yourself. In today's video, we're diving deep into 6 powerful bodyweight exercises that will transform your physique in just 30 days. But this isn't your typical push-up challenge. We're going to explain why these moves work, how to do them the right way, and how to push through the plateau and make consistent muscle gains with zero equipment. So stay tuned until the end, because what you're about to discover could completely change the way you think about working out. Before dumbbells and protein powders, before high-end gyms and workout mirrors, warriors, gladiators, and elite fighters trained using their own body weight. That's right. From Spartans in ancient Greece to Shaolin monks in China, these warriors didn't need equipment. They relied on gravity, repetition, and sheer willpower to become strong and unshakable. And today, we're borrowing from that same principle to give you modern, science-backed bodyweight training that builds serious muscle. If you're ready to unlock your inner warrior, let's dive in. 1. Push-ups. The upper body powerhouse. Let's start with a classic, but don't underestimate it. Push-ups are one of the most underrated muscle-building movements ever. But they're far more than just an arm exercise. Done correctly, push-ups target your chest, shoulders, triceps, core, and even your upper back. Here's the secret. It's not just about quantity. It's about time under tension, form, and progression. Most people do push-ups too fast. If you slow down, lower your body for 3 seconds, pause at the bottom, and then explode up, your muscles will be on fire. And if regular push-ups become too easy, try elevated feet push-ups, diamond push-ups for more tricep focus, or even archer push-ups to isolate each side of your chest more effectively. Train them smart, and your upper body will start to fill out your shirts in no time, even without a single weight. A lot of people believe that if you're not lifting heavy metal, you're not really building muscle. But that's a myth. In fact, recent studies show that progressive overload can be achieved using just body weight, if you're strategic. Your body doesn't know the difference between lifting a dumbbell and lifting your own weight. It only knows tension and effort. So every time you push harder, squeeze tighter, or increase the difficulty of a movement, your muscles adapt and grow. 2. Pull-ups or inverted rows. The back builder. Your back is the foundation of a strong physique. It gives your body that V shape everyone wants. And for that, pull-ups reign supreme. Now you might be thinking, but I don't have a pull-up bar. That's okay. If you do, great, use it. But if not, try this. Find a sturdy bar, table edge, or even a broomstick across 2 chairs to perform inverted rows. What's amazing about pull-ups and rows is that they don't just build your lats, they also target your biceps, forearms, traps, and even your core. Here's the key. Start with negatives if you can't do a full pull-up. Jump up to the top position, and lower yourself down as slowly as possible. That eccentric movement stimulates muscle fibers like crazy. Keep doing this 3 to 4 times a week, and within 30 days, you'll not only do your first pull-up, you'll start looking like someone who lives at the gym. You don't need a full gym to train your back. In fact, you can use a towel and a door, a low tree branch in your park, or a sturdy desk for rows. The key is improvisation. Because the truth is, the best workout is the one you actually do. Forget about perfection, focus on consistency and progression. 3. Bodyweight squats. Build tree trunk legs. Leg day doesn't require barbells or squat racks. Just bodyweight squats can ignite serious muscle growth, if done properly. Too many people rush through them, barely going down, and wonder why their legs aren't growing. Squats build your quads, glutes, hamstrings, and even engage your core. You'll not only see more definition, you'll feel stronger every time you walk, run, or climb stairs. And here's a bonus. Working legs triggers the release of growth hormones that help build muscle all over your body. You've heard the jokes. But it's true, if you skip training your legs, you're leaving massive gains on the table. Training your lower body boosts testosterone, burns more calories, and builds a foundation of power for everything else, whether it's jumping higher, running faster, or lifting heavier. 4. Plank variations. The core carver. Everyone wants abs, but few people train their core properly. Sit-ups and crunches? Not enough. The plank, when done right, is one of the most effective core exercises. But it's not just about holding still. Progressive variations take it to another level. What makes planks powerful is that they don't just build visible abs, they create deep core stability that protects your spine, improves your posture, and boosts your performance in every other exercise. Train planks consistently, and your core will be rock solid, and your six-pack closer than you think. You've probably heard that diet is key for abs, and it is. But no amount of dieting will give you a strong, functional core. The secret? Combine clean eating with intelligent core training, and you'll not only look better, you'll move better. 5. Dips or bench dips. The tricep and chest finisher now. Let's sculpt those arms and chest further with dips. If you have access to parallel bars, perfect. But if not, bench dips using a sturdy chair or low table work just as well. Dips are a compound upper body movement that crush your triceps, chest, and shoulders. They're the secret behind defined arms and that line that separates your chest from your shoulders. As you get stronger, you can even add a backpack with books for resistance. Within 30 days of doing dips consistently, you'll notice bigger triceps, a firmer chest, and a powerful upper body presence. When someone looks at you, your arms are the first sign of strength they see. But curls aren't the only way to build arms. Dips build real-world pushing strength, and they're one of the fastest ways to grow your triceps, which make up 2/3 of your arm size. Train smart, and your arms will speak for themselves. 6. Burpees. The full body fat blaster. Now let's talk about intensity. Burpees are one of the most hated, and most effective, bodyweight exercises out there. Why? Because they work everything. Chest, legs, core, arms, lungs, you name it. A single set of burpees gets your heart rate skyrocketing and engages nearly every muscle in your body. They burn fat, build endurance, and condition your body like a machine. If you want to lose fat while building muscle, add burpees into your training 3 to 4 times a week. You'll see your stamina improve, your body tighten up, and your conditioning shoot through the roof. Make no mistake, 30 days of burpees and you'll feel like a completely different person. Want to develop grit? Burpees test not just your body, but your mind. The ability to keep going when you're tired, when your muscles are burning, and your lungs are screaming, is what separates average from great. If you want a transformation, this is the exercise that makes it happen. If you enjoyed this video and you're serious about getting fit with minimal equipment, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Fitness Tips, and turn on the bell so you never miss out on the best fitness hacks and routines. Remember, your body is your gym. And you are stronger than you think. See you in the next video.